Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever seen that annoying queued for copy message pop up on your PlayStation 5? It's a common issue that keeps you from diving into your favorite games or installing new updates. This usually means your console is having trouble copying necessary data, which can feel really frustrating. Don't worry though, we're here to help. This guide offers a complete walkthrough of the best fixes for this problem, helping you get your PS5 running smoothly again. Sometimes the fix is simpler than you think. Many times, queued for copy is just a temporary hiccup, perhaps due to a small software glitch or a momentary data conflict. Start by giving your PS5 a full restart. This can clear out many temporary issues. Also, try pausing the specific download or copy process in your Downloads/Uploads menu, then wait a few seconds and resume it. This often gives the system the nudge it needs to get going again. Lack of available storage space is a very common culprit behind copying problems. Your PS5 needs enough room to process game data efficiently. Head into your system settings, then go to storage to see how much space you have left. If it's low, consider deleting some older games you no longer play. Additionally, look for any corrupted download files or incomplete game installations that might be stuck, and make sure to delete those too. If those basic steps didn't work, rebuilding your PS5 database is a highly effective solution. This process optimizes your console's file system, often resolving underlying data corruption without deleting any of your installed games. To start, fully power down your PS5. Then, press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. This will launch you into safe mode. From the menu there, simply choose Clear Cache and Rebuild Database, and let your PS5 do its work. If you've tried everything else, and the queued for copy issue still plagues a specific game, a complete reinstallation might be your last resort. This involves deleting the problematic game from your PS5, then re-downloading it or installing it from your physical disk again. Always remember to back up your game's saved data to the cloud first, just to be safe. After a fresh installation, your game should hopefully copy and run perfectly, getting you back to gaming without issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.